Christmas Eve, came over to Mom's just to kind of clean things up, but we're starting to sprinkle at our house, so I wanted to get the tables and stuff I had left out here. But there's a little bit more light today. Maybe you can see a little better. It's still not real bright. So just going back over it, cleaned all this up, and I'm really pleased with this part here. And let's take a look down here at the windows. I got all the overspray off the other day, so I got it off the top of that window. And this one, there's a little on the side, but I can touch that up if I need to. That's just on the silicone, but it looks good. I will paint this enclosure, probably to match the house. But I have to do the gas guy when he came out to turn things back on, and he checked this. He says this is not appropriate ventilation. There's too many twists and turns. See how it turns there and then goes up? So if you see right here, I'm gonna have to put a hole right up in the center and then move this stuff over here so there's not as many bends. He says, it's kind of, can become dangerous, so I still got to do that, and that's when I'll go ahead and paint that to match the house. I can just roller that. You can kind of see the color up there where I was able to stop, but another time I'll finish off this side of the house, the whole thing up to the roof. And so this is all done. I also did a lot on this wall. There's still some more to do. I had some paint left in the bucket, so I painted it. I'll touch that stuff up with black spray paint there, that in the fence. And I could do this side of the wall too. So I've probably done more than half of the house, and probably a good thing to do here too. But I think it looks a lot cleaner, especially without all that other color. The trim will all be done dark brown, and that trim up here, this trim, I'm gonna leave under the eaves the same color. And then what I think I'll do is whatever paint I do the trim, that's what I'll paint those top bricks there, just to give it some, contrast. All right, talk to you.